What happens when a family hatchback slams into a wall at 120 miles per hour, faster than any official test ever dared? Total annihilation, that's what. And we're kicking off today's countdown of the most brutal crash tests in history with that insane spectacle. Before we start, if you're into real crash tests, real damage, and real lessons about safety, hit subscribe and turn notifications on. Let's get into it. A 1990s Ford Focus from the British show Fifth Gear rocketed into a concrete wall at 120 miles per hour, about 193 km/h. This wasn't simulating a standard crash. It mimicked two cars hitting head-on at highway speeds. The Focus explodes on impact. Front end vaporized, engine bay gone. The whole car reduced to twisted scrap in milliseconds. They didn't even use real dummies because the G-forces were off the charts lethal. No survival chance here. It's the fastest, most violent official crash test ever filmed, and it'll make you rethink speeding forever. Next, 1959, Chevrolet Bel Air versus 2009 Chevrolet Malibu in the famous IIHS offset test. The massive 59 Bel Air, all steel and chrome, charges in and crumples catastrophically. The cabin collapses, passenger space shrinks to inches, dummy obliterated. Meanwhile, the modern Malibu barely deforms, the survival cell intact, dummy walking away. Brutal proof that 50 years of safety tech turned death traps into survivable rides. The Geely CK, tested by IIHS and Latin NCAP back in the late 2000s. This Chinese sedan literally falls apart on frontal impact. Doors rip off, roof caves, structure disintegrates like tin foil. Dummies take fatal level forces. Zero protection, earning it one of the worst scores ever. A legendary fail that screamed, "Buyer beware" for early budget imports. Next, the Ford Pinto from the 1970s NHTSA rear-end tests. A moderate hit from behind, and boom, the fuel tank ruptures, erupting into flames. The car becomes a fireball in seconds, exposing a deadly design flaw that led to recalls and lawsuits. It changed rear impact standards overnight. Pure, scandalous brutality. Family vans gone wrong. The 1990s Pontiac Transport, or Oldsmobile Silhouette Twin, in IIHS frontal crashes. The driver's side caves horribly. Dashboard crushes in. Legs jammed into the engine bay. Massive intrusion risking amputation-level injuries. The world's cheapest car, Tata Nano, hit global NCAP in 2014. No airbags, flimsy build. At just 40 mph offset, the body shell buckles completely. Dummies facing lethal head and chest injuries. 0 stars adult and child protection. Cardboard-level safety that shocked the industry. Older Jeep Wranglers and IIHS rollover and side tests. High center of gravity means it tips easily in maneuvers, roof crushes, cabin compresses, and side hits. Marginal ratings year after year, one of the riskiest SUVs for flips and impacts. A savage old versus new 1990s Nissan Sentra, Mexico Spec Suru in Latin NCAP versus modern versions. The old one collapses like a soda can, 0 stars, structure unstable. Newer Sentras, night and day better, shows how far compacts have come. Early 2000s Chevrolet Malibu and IIHS small overlap tests. Massive cabin intrusion, A-pillar buckles, forcing quick redesigns across the industry. Dummies at high risk. One of those tests that exposed weaknesses and saved lives long-term. Finally, the 1990s Volkswagen T4 Transporter van, in old European tests. Tough-looking bus, but frontal hit deforms the cab badly. Everything in the load bay flies forward, smashing the driver area. No modern crumple zones. Brutal reminder vans from that era weren't built for severe crashes. If this got your adrenaline pumping, hit subscribe, like, and comment your most shocking crash test below. We've got more brutality coming soon. Stay safe.